guys, this morning. It is Monday and we're both feeling a lot better than we did yesterday. A lot more refreshed, I think, after a good night's sleep. How do you feel?
I do feel a bit fresher this morning. Yeah, definitely.
As you know, we come back from London yesterday and it was quite a hefty drive. We did have some issues with my car as well, which didn't help either. So all kind of added on to the stress of driving from London, because drivers in London are nutcases. If you've ever been to London and you've driven around London, then you will know that it's a job to keep yourself out of having an accident, because that's how it was. Uber drivers, taxi drivers would just be in the wrong lane and come up the side of you and cut you up, which is not very good, but that's how they want to drive. Then I'm not stopping them. But we are on our way to Cwmbran. Lovely Cwmbran. Eloise got a job interview this morning, which is good. I don't know if she wants to tell you what it is yet. I don't know. But do you want?
I got several.
She's got a few interviews. So the first one's a nursery apprentice, to kind of get her qualifications, to kind of help on that side of it. And the second one is an optician's apprentice. She kind of learns more about the eyes on that one. So optical assistant. So two different things, two possible maybes. Just got to see pros and cons of them and see which one that she actually wants to do. Lyra, what are you doing? You waving? So guys, we'll see you when we get to Cwmbran. Hey guys, so we're in Cwmbran. We've been here for a little bit, about half hour to an hour. I picked up a present for Eloise, which she's going to be very, very, very surprised about. Because I'm on it this year, guys. Last year, it was all last minute, ordering presents here, there and everywhere. But this year, I'm on it. She's gonna have a very good time, buying lots of presents, so that will be good, I guess. But look at the baby, loves my keys. What are you doing? What are you doing with the keys? You're keeping you quiet. So we're gonna go and find some Greggs. A Greggs? Daddy have a Greggs? Yeah? Daddy wants a Greggs and a pumpkin latte. So we're gonna go find one. And I say, after we bought Mommy a present, don't tell Mommy, go shh. Go shh. Ciao guys. Oh, where's your sandwich gone? Who eating him? Daddy's got a baguette. No, you can't have him. Hey guys, so I didn't show you where I've been because it might give Eloise some clues to what I got her. But I did get a lot done. I was worried that in the 4 hours that I was going to be shopping, I'd be bored and not know what to do. But me and Lyra had loads of fun looking around things, presents, and even sorted out some financial stuff, which you guys don't want to know about, all boring. But heading back to the car now, and then we're going to go pick Eloise up from her job interview that she's had this morning for a little apprentice job. So hopefully that's gone all well. So speak to you guys soon.
We are at the fireworks and Jay is over there with the baby. Hello, my little lumpa lumpa. Hi. There's all Baba's up there.
I mean, it's so loud.
Go and get her then. Quick. She's not okay.
And the burgers have started opening. Do you want anything to eat now?
Do you want me to go up and get them? Lyra, what are you doing? Lyra. Yeah. Quit trying to put that on.
So we've not long got home from the fireworks, which were absolutely amazing. Well done, Heart, for putting on a good show, because I know they were sponsored by them as one of the main sponsors for the event. That's great. And now we just put Lyra to bed, which is great. And now we're eating tacos, tacos. I'll show you what we got. So we got our salad. We got our mint and our sausages. Chorizo. And then we got our tacos, tacos. Hope you all enjoyed this video. We enjoyed it, and Lyra absolutely loved it. Even though she was a little bit in between at the start, a bit scared, but then she was dancing, she was pointing, and then she was clapping, so she was obviously then enjoying it, which was amazing. But thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you all had a lovely bonfire night, and have a good night, guys. Goodbye.